is George, and my student number is 409-86-500.
Hi, I'm Danelle, and my student number is 33740119.
In today's video, we are going to explore strategies and skills that can be taught to learners and how they approach content subjects.
So within our SMART task, we had to look at, or the learners had to look at the oral presentation and a poster. So this incorporates vocabulary and writing. So George, a fun fact, did you know that history has been borrowed by the classical Latin?
No, I didn't know.
It's actually so interesting because it translates to historia,
Yes.
which translates to investigation.
Oh, okay.
I find that sounds like so
So
much.
history actually means investigation. You have to investigate.
And no one teaches us this stuff.
No one.
No.
It is a fun fact.
It is. So basically in vocabulary, we can look at 3 strategies.
Okay.
The first one being definitions and glossary.
Yeah.
Like, for example, just like we learned just now,
Yeah.
the definitions are so important in history.
Very important.
Very important.
Yeah.
Definitions, for example, if we can take an example as a discuss. In previous subjects, the word discuss can mainly mean, okay, discuss the topic that were given to you.
Yes.
But in history, it can mean discuss the topic and add your own opinion. So the learners need to understand these different meanings and how they're used in context with history, basically.
Okay.
So the second strategy is that what we as teachers can use to enhance these learners' vocabulary skills is back in our classes, we can use a wall for they call it word walls.
Yes.
So after each study unit that we've completed, we can take the difficult words, the words that the definitions aren't that popular.
Okay.
Then we can use these words, put it on the back of our walls with the definitions. So when a student or a learner is stuck with a word, or he doesn't know how to use this word in a certain context, he can go back to the class and see for themselves, okay, but this is what the word means,
Yes.
this is how I can use it, and so forth.
Yes.
The third word strategy is polysemy. Polysemy.
Yes.
This is when words have different meanings
Yes.
inside different contexts or different subjects. For example, in history, the word arms, it basically means, it can mean 2 types of things. It can mean arms as army,
Yes.
or it can mean arms like firearms.
Yes. Yes.
Whereas in life science, the word arms can mean physical arms.
Yeah, physical arm.
So learners also need to comprehend these words and see for themselves, okay, but in what context are we going to use this word? So it depends on what context the words are being used in, so their definitions will be changed.
And it is vital to actually teach them on how to navigate themselves within that context.
That's true. Yeah, that's so important as well.
So in writing skills, learners need to know the purpose of writing, because there are 3 main purposes why we write. We write to describe, we write to inform, or we write to persuade. So in history, most of the time, we write to describe and inform at the same time, but also in terms of how we use that information that we are there to become staunch believers of.
That's so much true, and learners need to learn these skills in order to write well academically.
Super. And in history, the most popular method starts by brainstorming, because there is so much that can be taken from brainstorming, like a mind map. And then the most popular method that is used is the pin method. You need to have a point, you need to have an example, have evidence of your point, and have the link, how you link your point in the given subject of argument.
And that's important as well.
Very important.
These learners need to learn these things.
Yes.
And also on an academic level, they need to learn how to write on an academic level.
Yes.
For example, if I can use an example, You won't, if you write an essay in history, you won't use words like I or me.
More than 5 minutes. It's fine.
No, it's fine. You can just go carry on.
Yeah,
Okay,
carry on.
sorry, ma'am, it's fine.
So remember, it's fine.
So for example, you can't use words like I or me
Yes.
or us. You would typically use the words one and refer to the third person.